Hello everyone. Today, I'll be sharing with you a simply gorgeous pair of Saks Fifth Avenue Cady suede pumps. If you're looking for a not-so-everyday black heel that has the height, the stability, and elegance to complement your wardrobe, I may have your heel. If you enjoy tuning into my heel reviews and would like to see more, please go ahead and click the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss the next review. I post honest reviews and details on women's heels weekly. Be sure to subscribe so that you never miss a review. We'll review the Saks Fifth Avenue Cady suede pumps with a 3-inch heel in black. If you're looking for a pair of heels that pair well with your work and casual wardrobes and haven't been able to find a good pair, you do not want to miss this week's review. I must note that I'm not being paid or sponsored to review these Saks Fifth Avenue Cady heels. This review is my honest and personal review and opinion of the heels. I often find myself shopping online or in a store at Saks Fifth Avenue, be it the main store or their off-Fifth locations. I usually can find a good deal. Today was no different. I was perusing the local off-Fifth store and found these adorable suede pumps from the Saks Fifth Avenue line. I've previously purchased heels from this line and have enjoyed them all. I'm hoping that this pair here will also be good, not only looking but feeling pair. I was concerned that I would be buying yet another pair of black pumps, but these definitely seem to be special, so I opened my wallet and went ahead and purchased them. Now, let's talk about the heel. Packaging. The first thing that I noticed was that they were packaged in just a plain old black and white box with the Saks Fifth Avenue logo. I did notice that each heel was wrapped in tissue paper and stuck with the same paper inside to keep the shoe shape. This was a nice touch to make sure that they were not damaged or squashed in transit, as can happen with some heels. Wasn't any dust bag or replacement heel taps included with the heels. I'm okay with not having those. Quality. Wow. With regard to quality and construction, these Cady heels are a good quality pair of heels that use strong leather and suede where applicable. The leather and fabric is of a good quality and not easily snaggable or scuffable, which matters on a heel like this because of the lighter color of the outer sole. Let's talk about craftsmanship. When I look at these heels, they look to be made pretty well. They seem to be crafted and designed for both casual and comfortable wear with the suede outer. While inspecting the heels though, I did notice that the soles were connected to the upper shoe as I would have expected. There were no gaps or sagging of the material or any sharp ends, which was nice. When I did take a closer look, I did notice that some of the seam was starting to detach itself. It may just be this specific pair, but I wanted to put that out there. Fit. When I tried these heels on, they fit straight out of the box, which is, as you know from my previous reviews, not something that happens often when buying new shoes, let alone heels. I did purchase them during the summertime, and they still seem to fit pretty well. If you do happen to have a medium width foot, you should be able to purchase these heels in your regular size. I would caution that if you do have a little bit wider foot, I would recommend going up at least a half size to ensure a great fit and comfortable wear. Durability. The only real complaint that I have is the suede that was used for the shoe upper. It is a little thin and would probably last longer if it were a little bit thicker. It's just my personal opinion on that. The toe box of the heel is definitely flexible. It does tend to move when you move, resulting in less toe creasing and enhancing the overall experience of wearing the heels, which leads to longer durability. Style. The style is definitely classic and encompasses a strong stiletto heel with added comfort features that keep you looking and feeling good from day to night. I truly love how smooth the suede is on the shoes, and I hope it stays that way. I'm always concerned with suede heels about them getting dirty or stained from day-to-day wear. It may be good to weatherproof these if you are planning to wear them to busy places where your toes may be stepped on so that they can keep looking new. Coolness. From a coolness perspective, the Cady heels do not disappoint. While they are covered in any adornments and all the bells and whistles of other pumps in their price class, they are simply timeless. Versatility. From a versatility perspective, these heels definitely are. They are a universal color, shape, and size, and can pair well with any casual or business apparel, as well as serve as a nice accent for parties or other special occasions. They're definitely made well and can be used for just about any wear scenario you can think of. With them being a heel that's not too tall, you don't have to worry about slipping or falling as you may have to do with your 4 or 5 inch contenders. Comfort. Let's talk about comfort. The heels are actually more comfortable than I wanted them to be. They feature this soft 8mm padding inside, both at the arch of the foot, the heel, and in the toe pad. This is something you don't see in a lot of your high heel shoes, more so in your tennis shoes or sneakers. I was really delighted the Saks line has actually taken that into account. Kudos there. For all-day comfort, these heels are it. You want to wear them all day long if you have a medium width foot. The heel will fit your foot like a glove. Value. The Cady heels are modestly priced at around $64.99 a pair, and from a value perspective, I would say that they are generally worth the price. I would have expected a pair of heels like these to cost no less than perhaps $100, $125 based on others I've purchased and reviewed over the years. This was a pleasantly priced value find that I recommend for those who may be on the fence about buying a suede pair of heels. These definitely have the core features that you may be looking for. In summary, the Saks Fifth Avenue Cady suede heels will fill that void in your wardrobe essentials and also help keep some cash in your wallet for other things. All in all, the heels are cost-effective, they're comfortable, fun to wear, and versatile enough for wear just about anywhere. While the suede material on the uppers of the heels could have been thicker, that is not a deterrent to purchase them while you still can. As for the heels, they do come in a variety of materials, colors, and seem to pair pretty well with seasonal wear and event wear perfectly. I can attest they even make your legs look fabulous and sexy while you sport them. Are you planning to buy these classics? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know if you already own these heels and do they live up to the hype? Let me know. The Cady heels come in approximately 8 different colors and both suede and leather options to choose from, and come in sizes from 5 medium to 11 medium US. They should fit a good number of you. Let's get to my heel review score. Packaging. A 5. While they were in a nice box, it was nothing to write home about. Style. A 6, because they are a classic and elegant style, very timeless. Quality. A 7. The heels are made fairly well. Coolness. A 5, because without any adornments or embellishments, they may be confused with just another pair of pumps. Craftsmanship. A 6. The shoes are made fairly well, though I would have liked to have seen thicker suede on the outers and better lining inside. Versatility. A 7. These shoes are truly versatile. Fit. A 6, as they did fit out of the box onto my feet, which are standard medium width. Comfort. An 8. The added 8mm padding inside helped contribute to my enjoyment of walking in these heels. Durability. 6. These shoes are durable and will last, but will require some maintenance to make sure they keep looking good. And value. An 8. At a $69.99 price range, cost-wise, they are a value. The style, the quality, the craftsmanship led me to a total score of 64 out of 100 for the Cady heels. Thanks again for joining me today to review the Saks Fifth Avenue Cady heels in black. If you've been watching these classic heels and thinking whether you should buy or not, I would say give them a try. Buy if you enjoy a great pair of heels that are versatile as well as comfortable. You can dress the Cady heels up or down and wear them with your current or vintage fashion options in your closet. If you enjoyed tuning into my heel review and would like to see more, please go ahead and click the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss the next review. I post reviews every week, and the next one is surely gonna knock your socks off. If there is a pair of heels you'd love to learn more about and would like to see reviewed, please comment below and they may just appear here. If these are the heels for you, I've included a link below on where you can purchase them. Until next time.